My current events topic is climate change and what our leaders can do to help stop it. Climate change is something that could end life of all humans on Earth, and there isn't anyone else to blame but ourselves. There are too many factors that play a role in how the Earth temperature rises. Some of the main ones being lots of CO2 and methane being released into the atmosphere by carbon emissions and animal waste. With the rising population, there needs to be more animals to feed everyone. When animals produce waste, it releases methane into the atmosphere and traps heat inside the Earth. The same goes with CO2. As companies expand and build more factories, the factories release CO2 into the air, and that also warms up the Earth. With the Canadian elections just around the corner, we'll see which party is going to take the most notice on climate change. So far, the biggest contribution is that if Justin Trudeau gets reelected, he will plant 2 billion trees to help the fight climate change. He's the only one to make such a big claim about climate change out of all the contenders for Prime Minister. We'll see which candidate can top that or do something just like it. For now, all we can do is simple things like biking to school or taking public transit to reduce carbon emissions. We as humans have to buy into the fact that the world could die if we don't take charge of this huge natural disaster that is climate change.